Okay, this is a 2005 Subaru Baja, and this is how you'll get to your cabin air filter. So there's a bolt right here, a bolt down here, one bolt over here, and a bolt up here, and there's going to be another one. There's going to be these guys, 10 mil or Phillips. I'd rather use the Phillips or 10 mil. Boom and boom. And you're gonna have to so when it's facing you, there's these clips in here. You're gonna want to try not to bend and all that, so you're gonna have to really squeeze this over. You're gonna grab both ends and squeeze them together, and yeah, it's about as wide as your finger on each side. And then trickiest part, flathead screwdriver, push right here and slide it back. It'll come right out for that. And yeah, I got the STP air filter, cabin air filter, and yeah, there's a clip under here, there's a clip right here, there's another clip here, and yeah, so two, and this is your I forget what this is. I think this is your air conditioning, or it's your resistor. Yeah, this is just, I got my backup camera wire waiting for the camera coming. I got my ample power wire with my signal wires, with a nice little amp under there, under the seat. Yeah, we're not gonna look at that. And yeah, got some dust under here that I should mess with. For quick access to your duct, it's right here. Good nice clamp facing out this way, so I can just quick access that. And then I switched out a new tube on here because this one had a crack right here. And yeah, this is pretty much under your dash. You can see the radio workings, all that. This if you want to do a quick power to your to keep your cigarette lighter on when the key's out, cigarette lighter still works. So yeah, and what you gotta do there would be is take this panel off right here on your passenger side, unbolt this bolt, make get a bolt down crimp, connect it to the wire, do another one with will that focus? See, I just slid on each piece, and then what I did from there, let's see, I took one of these right at number 3, and I put a 20 with a 15 behind it. So the 15 is for the pre-existing one, and 20 is for the new circuit I added. And that run is just up and over, so it's taking off this. So 2 bolts here, I think, and then 1 down there, and it pops out. This pops out after taking another 2 bolts out over there. And yeah, little stuff. Yeah, I just kind of keep those 2 fuses for a spare and a spare plug, and that's what I used on the back side, so that I can just plug into those terminals and just bloop. So it's negative, positive, I'm pretty sure. The black wire that goes onto that connector is the ground, so red and yellow are your friend. yeah, little stuff. Got my cargo topper on. And yeah, this, like, I had like stuff like this is stuck on in there, so I've got the good old Mac blow on and gave her a good blowing. And I'm missing that clip for the door. Need to repair that.